Once upon a time, in the Aurora Kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Arabella. She had two siblings named Ruby and Amethyst. Princess Arabella had a golden hair that shone like the sun and bright eyes that sparkled like the sea.
However, behind her beauty, she had a bad personality. She was bold and incredibly arrogant because she was the most beautiful princess in the kingdom, even more beautiful than her sisters. Makes Arabella became very arrogant.
One bright sunny day, Arabella met her sister cry because she mocked them and called them ugly. Hello, my ugly sisters. Where are you going? Stop calling us ugly, please. Huh? Why not? I'm more beautiful than you. So, that means you are ugly. You are so cruel. How can you say something like that? Because I'm the most dominant girl in the universe. Alright, I'm busy right now. I have to go. Bye, bye, princess. Several days later, the king called all the princes to attend meeting in the hall because he had very important announcement for his daughters. The princes are coming! My lovely daughters, it is time for all of you to get married. You are already 25 years old, so I plan to invite friends from other kingdoms to come and
You must
propose
get
to
married.
you.
You have 25 years old.
Alright, father!
Agad later.
In the following moon, the prince came one by one to propose to the princess. The two other princes had already chosen their future husbands.
No, I think in your circle after studying don't like that. Yes, 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 yes.
Why haven't you chosen a partner yet? From all the princes who came, didn't any of them catch your attention?
Father, they are not good enough for me. I want a prince who is handsome, kind, rich, and worthy of me.
My dear daughter Arabella, your two siblings have already found partners and started a family. Don't you think your desires are too complicated? Can you lower your standards a little? I'm afraid you will not find partner.
But Father, I don't want to.
Alright, Arabella, alright. I won't force you. I just hope you will get married soon.
Suddenly, a prince from the Aurora Kingdom came.
The prince from the kingdom of Aurora has arrived.
Ya Allah. Very, very.
Your Highness, the reason I came here is to propose to Princess Arabella. Dear Princess, will you accept my proposal?
No, I don't.
Arabella, will you accept me?
No, Father, he's too short.
How did you do this to me? Arabella, you are so rude.
And many time passes. Princess Arabella kept rejecting every prince who came to propose her, giving trivial and absurd reason each time.
One day, the king passed through, and the queen began to fall into the heart of princess. And Arabella starts 35 years old.
Ya Allah. Sampai 35. Sampai 35. Pag married dia tuh. Arabella. Ya. Shinmina. Shinmina. Ya, 41. Perawatannya soalnya. Oh ya ya ya. I'm still a child. Yeah, I trust Oxford.
And then the queen passed away, following the king who had died earlier. Arabella felt very sad and missed her parents, her sisters Ruby and Amethyst, and their husband came together to Prince's funeral.
My sister, Ruby and Amethyst, can I join with one of you? I don't want to stay in this kingdom alone.
I'm sorry, Arabella. We can't. We already have husband and new family. Arabella, you can just start to get married. It doesn't matter who the person is or how if they are, as long as they are kind and love you, that is enough.
Alright, Amethyst, I will take your suggestion. Thank you for caring about me. And I'm so sorry for all the bad things I have done to you.
It's okay, Arabella. We forgive you.
The day by day passed. One day, the prince from the Aurora kingdom came again to propose Arabella to be his wife.
The prince from the kingdom of Aurora has arrived. Princess, once again, the reason I came here is to propose to you, princess. Dear princess, will you accept my proposal?
I understand, prince, but didn't I reject you and even say bad things to you? Don't you hate me?
No, princess, don't play alone. I still love you no matter what.